Wow, this place is incredible. I've traveled to some beautiful places.
Who is she?
But this feels completely different. Sometimes you just need to get away from everything. Hello? Okay, probably just a monkey.
Ah!
Who's there? Huh? Wait! Okay, that was definitely not a monkey. Hey! Don't hurt me! I won't hurt you. Apple,
Apple,
water,
water,
tree,
tree,
me, you.
me, you.
Exactly!
I know!
What is that? Camera.
Camera! It captured me!
Yes.
Magic!
It's not magic.
Small magic!
Okay, small magic. I have to go. Go? Yes. My car is waiting. Car? You'll see. You can't follow me.
Why?
Because you don't know where I'm going.
I know.
That's exactly why you shouldn't follow me.
The metal animal!
It's a car.
Car.
Correct.
Where is the animal?
There is no animal.
Maybe hiding.
Maybe hiding. Student.
Ha ha! Eve! That is a very big bird.